We have to find the measurements of those angles also. Okay, so any suggestions on how to get angle 1, 2, or 3?
Angle 1, you add 21, 46.
That's a good way, yes. Angle 1, okay, let's see. Angle 1, this is the adjacent, so it's going to be these two angles, you're right. So angle 1 which should be what? 46 plus 21 is 67. So angle 1 is 67. Any other one? Do it.
You add 21 and 55.
You are 21 and 55? Okay, this one plus this one plus this one is 180. The whole angle. Do you want to find the whole angle here?
Wouldn't you 55 minus 46 and you get that angle?
Yeah, and then you subtract
55 minus 46
Yeah.
plus
plus
Plus,
46. Okay, 55 plus 46
angle 3 or no?
would equal this whole,
And then you
subtract from 180. So why don't we just add this angle, this one, and this one, because we're going to have that little piece missing. So to find this little piece,
You guys
the sum of the
minus
three should be 180, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I look at this, like this whole angle, 1, 2, 3, those three should add up to 180. Okay, so if I add 55, 46, plus 21, that would be 12 carry 1, 122. What do I do with the 122?
You minus 180.
Subtract from 180, and that would be 58. So this angle here inside would be 58. Okay, so how is that going to help to find angle 2 or angle 3?
By 58 minus 21.
50. Okay, Jackie, let me go with one person. So many suggestions. Okay, what did you suggest, Jackie? 55 plus 58.
58 minus 180 equals angle 3.
See, 55, 58, and this angle is 180. But what do you want to add this to? Angle 2? Okay, angle 2 is not really, related. This one plus this one equals to angle 2, but I don't know what this is. So how do I get angle 2 then?
Oh, 58 minus 180
Right? So 58 minus 180,
is 122.
okay, so it's 122. So that's 122 degrees, okay? Now, what else? I need to find measurement of angle 3. If you really think about this here, this line with this line, they form vertical angles here. Do you see those vertical angles? That is right. You subtract 21 from 122, and that would be the remaining angle 3. That's right. So when you subtract to get angle 3 is 122 minus 21, which is 101. Right? 101. And that was angle 3. So angle 3 is 101, angle 2 is 122, and angle 1 is 67. So it was B. And last problem, number 4. Oh, I have another one, number 5. So how did you find the measurement of X?
Oh, you said them equal to? No.
You do 6x
Was just saying something.
A ver, Liz or Marco, one of you.
6x plus 3x plus 4
That's right.
equals
6x plus 3x plus 4 equals 112. That's right. That is right, Marco. You add those two angles and that's equals to the outside angle. So that would be 9x plus 4 equals 112.
Minus 4.
Is this gonna be the test, this one, this problem?
Out of the 5, you
I
have
knew
3.
it.
Like the
108.
same numbers and everything?
No.
I'm changing numbers, yes.
Okay, well, it doesn't matter. It's
So
good.
this
That
is
was the
12.
phone it's gonna be on.
Right. Okay, and I'm going to upload this to the Google Classroom, so just in case, okay? So you have those problems on Google Classroom. This is one of the ones that I don't want you to get, wrong, please. Number 5, this was not on the online, but it's going to be on the quiz. Number 5 says, find the measures of the sides of the triangle ABC and classify the triangle by its sides. So how would you get the length? Because we need to know the length of the sides.
You skipped the question. Yes.
Don't skip it. That's why I'm going over this. Well, plot the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here is A. B is 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is B. C is at 6, 1. And I need to know the length of those sides.
You would count the squares?
For AB, you can just count the number of units. For AB, because it's a straight line, right? So it would be from negative 3 to 4. That would be 7. But how about from B to C and C to A?
Look about even, so we're gonna say from that's also
Well, I need to know B coordinates, which is 4, 4, and C coordinates, which is 6, 1. And then label it x1, y1, x2, y2. Put it into the distance formula.
Can you like write that on paper?
1 minus 4 quantity square. 6 minus 4 quantity square.
Gee, wow.
So what is 1 minus 4?
3.
Negative 3 square. And 6 minus 4? 2 square. So here, what is negative 3 times negative 3?
9.
And 2 square. So the distance here is the square root of 13. Then I do the same thing with the from C to A. So C, the coordinates of C are 6, 1. Coordinates of A are 4, negative 3. Then I use a distance formula. So the distance, so what should I put on the formula? Give me the first number. Square and square. So negative 3 and negative 1. Negative 4. And what about 4 and negative 6? This is going to give you 16 plus 4. Square root of 20. So tell me about the distances.
They're all different.
They're all different, so therefore
Like scaling.
it's a scaling.
What?
SD.
Had my,
Okay.
oh, wow.
Lesson time.